Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. A little bitty trick here about aligning nodes. I've got three obstacles with elongated call out type deals. I am going to select all three of them, and then I'm going to select, I've already got that selected. I guess I'm hold down the shift and select that one and that one. I want all three of these, and they're different distance apart, to go to here. So I'm going to open up Windows Dockers Align and Distribute, and I'm going to go right here to specify a point, put it like right on that edge, and then align them to the left. And if you look, they all three went to that spot. Now, in this case, maybe it wouldn't be that big a deal, but if you had a lot of these, and, you know, to get that node to that spot, you'd have to, you know, individually do them, and, you know, your hand movement, you know, this way it's doing it for you. So shift select all three of your outer pointed nodes. I guess you don't even have to, we're in that mode right now, so we just specify a new point and then go to the left. Pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.